All right, so some cons to capital growth.
Yeah, I guess that's sort of going.
What we're saying,
a few of them there.
You're playing a longer game. You're not getting, you're not getting a high return of cash fast.
No, and if you're just let's go into the your major CBD markets, say Sydney, where your cash flow yield you're highly negatively geared.
Mm-hmm.
So you need to basically sack up, and if you're on a 80% loan to value ratio, you're going to be taking a haircut on that from a cash perspective. So it's costing you money to hold this asset. You do so in the proviso that you're making money essentially in the growth of the property. So that's the investment, right? You're putting $200, $300, $400 a week into this asset on the proviso that it's going to grow more in value per week than what you're putting into it.
Yeah.
Over the long term, the cons of the capital growth strategy is that you hinder your borrowing capacity for future events because it's costing you more to hold.
Yeah, it's taking money out of your pocket, money out of your pocket.
And it can be a stress on your lifestyle in that, if you are spending $400 a week to hold a property, what's your household income? And a lot of people do sort of get caught with higher cost of living or the lifestyle creep, they call it.
Yeah.
You want the new car, you want the new house, you want this persona of your, where you see your life, and you don't want to hold that asset, so you sell it and don't sell property within a 6 to 10 year period. Is because it costs a lot of money to buy, to sell, the transaction costs. So they're your real cons of. If you just look at the capital growth, you've got to understand. Yeah, and what is your income level, like outside of your property portfolio, or
are you able to earn enough to put some money into that property per week and still not affect your borrowing capacity to go for another one?
Correct.
Yeah.
What's your big goals? What's your age? What's your risk appetite? All this is really important, and why we always lead with strategy.